Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And we're gonna start today. We're gonna be working on my brother's car and the wiring on the back because he doesn't have no signal lights. And what is that? The signal lights, he basically doesn't have no lights at all, not even brake lights or nothing. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is get into this right now, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. Alright guys, I went ahead, I got the extension cord, my phone's there and I'm recording. But beside that, I opened the trunk, right? And then we were over here looking at this wiring. It looks like someone did all this right here, you see? As you can see right there. So how you say that? I was checking this right here, and I was telling my brother to see the one, like to look at the wiring to see if the colors match. And we went right here, and as you can see, we got green and yellow. Then we come up here to because that's the top one. That should be the blinker and the hazards. There's a green and yellow, as you guys can see right there. And then the black and white, that should be ground. That's the black and white right here. Boom. And he got all this that's red, black, yellow, white, and white, and I guess dark blue or black. He got all those connected to just one cable to power. So it's powering the whole lights. When you turn the lights on, the back light turns on, the top one and the bottom one, like all the lights turn on, like I say that automatic or whatever. I don't know how you say it, but yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get this in theory. So we're gonna check and cut this wiring right here. I'm gonna take this off from right here, and we should be able to just connect it by colors, like this red and black. As you can see, it's right here in the bottom for the bottom one, red and black. And then the bottom one from that, it's a black solid. Boom. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it to the black solid that comes out of here. He got the black and the black and white connected together. That black and white goes to the top one. This one goes to the bottom. Like, he got all this shit mixed up. And on this side too right here. So we're gonna go ahead and match the colors up, and hopefully all the lights work, brake lights and everything works. But yeah guys, I'm gonna stop talking, and yeah, let me get this shit done and see if we can get these colors together. Alright guys, first of all, we're starting off safety. Let's go. So today I'm going to be working on my Honda Accord wiring and the back tail light back tail light wiring. This is the left side. As you can see, the person that had this car completely destroyed it and made it look stupid. Look at it. Hideous. I'm about to cut all that, and honestly, the only thing I got is tape, so it's just gonna be joined straight over here and wired up, and we're gonna see how it goes. Because the problem I have right now is all my lights are connected to one single positive lead, and it's making them all turn on instead of me having signal lights and brake lights. They're all just on. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Fix this side. Fix this side over here. As you can see, he did the same. All of them connected to one. And that right there. So, let's get started. So, I'm going to start with the worst one. And yeah, I really don't think you need that. So, what am I going to do? What am I cutting here? Oh, alright. Alright, let me see. Alright. So we start by cutting the whole thing, right? I'm gonna do it anyways.
I'm gonna cut everything. Look what this man did.
I mean, he got cut those short too.
Yeah, he shrinked it with the heat or whatever. Like it looked nice, but look what's under the. Look what's under that. Like, oh, we need cables. I got them on the back of the car.
What?
Because they're too short, so we're gonna have to put longer ones so they can reach down.
Use that metal. We don't have to do it long. Look how short this one is.
Yeah. We could do it. Oh! Y'all didn't see that.
Damn, where's the...
Yeah, he put
Leave that one right there.
What?
So that we can still, that one can have it already.
Because these are just two. We just gotta cut it up here.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah, we can leave this like that. Why was it cutting that?
That's what I'm saying. This one's, you probably leave it right there. You do it right here. Boom.
So I gotta cut this.
Because all the colors match. Make sure all the colors can match.
Yeah. Yeah, they all do.
Excuse the rain, guys, and we don't got that money like that, so we don't have a shop either. A good shop. We do have a shop. It's at my grandfather's house, but we're over here at our house, so we're inside the trailer. We were gonna work on the car, and it started raining, so I was like, "Fuck it, let's go inside the trailer." And yeah. What you doing?
I don't know how to take it all. I should have just cut it like.
Cabrón, pícalo. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Yeah, just try to cut them where the things are. Pícalo ahí abajo.
¿Dónde?
Like this, nigga. Sideways. Right there, bro. It's down. More down.
Yeah, you see I'm a professional.
Sick.
Look, my tape up. Then we gotta cut all of them. This one up here.
Alright, guys. You guys understand the process. We're gonna go ahead and put all those colors matching, all the cables and all that, and yeah, we get back like this.
Alright guys, so we just got done with the wiring, with the backlight wiring. I did this side, my brother did this side. As you can see, you can comment who's better.
I didn't have enough tape, so I can loom the whole shit. So
Yeah.
yeah, okay, it's just gonna work for now until we can get more tape. And
It's just a
make
test.
it nice.
It's just a test.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do later on is just, instead of just having it with tape, is I'm gonna have it with tape. So yeah, we're gonna try them out.
That's the that's that side.
This is the left side.
So
No, yeah, that one's that one's the right side.
let me see if I can bring this light over here
Where
a
the
little
light
bit.
go? I lost the bulb.
See if the light can come up over here and see for you guys to see a little bit.
Look, this.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it.
Mm.
You can see it.
So which one's which?
Says need more light required, but
Where's my phone? My flashlight.
hold on,
Oh
let me
yeah,
get
we definitely need the light.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. Wow. That's in.
In theory, this should work.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
Nah, it's gonna work.
Oh, if I put it
shit,
right.
shit.
Oh no, I was it. There you go.
Nah, get the other side right there.
Stay on. Means we gotta hurry up. So now which one's which? Like which one's top and which is bottom?
Yeah. The bottom one's that one, yep.
See, I told you.
It's good, it's good. You see it. And you just connect it right there. That's it. Now, let's try this shit out.
Yep.
You don't gotta turn the fucking car on for this shit. Put the switch on.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, what to say, man? Good, that's in here.
Well, how am I gonna get inside?
Nice, put the switch on from out here. What you talking about?
Oh.
You don't need to go inside to do all that shit.
Yeah, with the key.
Where they at? You took them out? I still going now. The fuck? We gotta get this trunk and paint that shit black. Like the engine bay. We're gonna wrap that shit black. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Nigga, they both they work. That's the running light? Yeah. Once this side doesn't work.
Right side?
Yeah. The front signal light right does not work.
That's why it's blinking fast.
Yeah, so the right, so we gotta check the bulb or the wiring on that one right there.
High. Yeah.
It's the how you say that? The hazards. Oh yeah, that shit worked. Damn, I don't know why he did that for. So what was I gonna say? This one doesn't work, Ojito. This bottom one. Running like you probably gotta get the light then.
What running light?
So this side, when you leave the lights on, it should have this one like running. That one worked. That side, the left side works. Right doesn't.
So it's probably because of the front.
It
It's
could.
blinking fast.
No. The signal light works. Signal light works on this side. It's just the bottom that doesn't work. And then
When you turn it on, it doesn't work either.
watch, look.
Is the bulb?
Here, hold-
is the bulb out?
hold
Is
the
it-
camera.
Is it blow?
I don't know. It could be. It could be that someone not dropped. I don't remember. You know how we could try it? Switch them. Want to switch it fast?
Let's
Or you
it
want
out
to
then.
see?
Do you know the mode? Is that one you should stay on?
Which one?
The light.
That one, the control, the remotes are on there.
Yeah.
I think it's the 3.
1, 2. I put 4.
I think it's 3 if I'm not mistaken. Cause it dims it. Yeah, like that. Right there. Yep. That's what that one. Bring this for you. That's it. Here, you want to see it? Record it.
Yeah.
I want to see the brakes too. Brakes should probably work.
I gotta connect the sensor in the.
Oh, you took it off?
Yeah, cause if you
So
would
it's
put
gonna
it
work
on,
too, then.
if you would put it on, it wouldn't work. It would all stay on.
Nigga, I'm excited. It's something small, but man, this shit.
I got lights.
Where the fuck you put the key at?
It's on the seat.
Oh shit. I cursed again. I'm sorry. Beep it. Damn. What?
Oh. Yeah.
that one doing fast.
Yeah.
And then the running lights. See that this one stays on, that one doesn't?
Yeah.
So we gotta check. But
Wait.
at least you got,
Put the flashes again.
flashing.
Alright, turn it off.
And listen. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm thinking it could be probably that foot shit or
The what, for the brake?
yeah.
No, I don't think it's that, because this one's
Or the
turning on.
bolt.
It could be,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. Let's try the bolt first. Look, take this out.
Let me show you real quick. Let me stop.
Yeah.
Alright guys. We're taking it out the trailer now. Come on, go. Let it go. Stay right there.
Yep.
See if I can push a little bit to get it all. Trailer ready. Yeah. Right there. Déjalo ahí, conectar el coso de freno, ¿no? Es rápido.
Oh, yeah.
Conecta rápido. You wanna show them when you do it as well, so you can use the front side too? Yep. So, it's on a phone in my pocket. Oh, I'm slipping. My bad for the shakiness and all that, but I'm really about to fall now. So right here is the brake pedal switch. Yeah, the switch. And here's the plug. I'm about to see if it works.
Heard it. Is that clicking in?
Yep.
Now it's gonna work. Look, they're already on. Oh, they stay on, right? That's what you were saying?
Yeah. It's probably because the brake is down.
Down forward.
I can't. I probably gotta turn it on.
Tranquilo, ¿no?
Aprendo a ver.
El cajo, a ver. Se va a ver, ¿no?
No, rápido, se va, ¿no? It's like they're... Mom, turn the lights on. All of them. Pon las señales y todo normal. That one works. This one works. The hazards también todavía brega. Hazard working. Entonces prende el radio a ver si te tumba la cosa esa. It could be the pedal switch too.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Take it off.
But yeah, alright guys. That's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. It's a small video of us fixing the wiring of the car and the back wiring. Just those plugs right there was something simple. I know this video was long, us talking and all that, but yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to leave a comment or something like that, and stay posted for the future videos. Peace.